What are Twitch drops? How you can set them up as streamer? Which games are having drops right now? And how can you join them as a viewer? But before I'm gonna explain all of this, I want to thank our sponsor, Own.tv. On Own.tv you can get your own emotes. You can get super cool pre-made ones. Or you can get ones that you make yourself with your own avatar. And besides from getting pre-made ones and making them yourself, you can even make animated emotes. Animated emotes yourself. Look at how cool this one is. And that's not even the coolest thing about this all, because with code Trui you get 50% off. Link is down below in the description. Okay, so what are drops on Twitch? You can get drops in-game for watching streams. For example, you can get Overwatch sprays by watching Overwatch content. Or you can get a game that is in beta to play in beta by watching a streamer that is streaming that game. What you need to do as a viewer is just watch the stream and wait until you get a drop. It's quite simple actually. If you want to claim the drop, you need to link your account to the provider of the drop. So usually that's like the game company. So for example, Warner Bros. Or Ubisoft or something like that to actually get the in-game drop or get the access to the beta code. If you click on your icon here and you go to drops, this is the place where you can see which drops you have received. You can see that, for example, for the Back 4 Blood, you had to connect your account to get the drop, so you can do that right here. When it did work out for multiverses here, you got a tick, and that means that it's completed and you've connected it correctly. You can also see all campaigns here, and these are the campaigns of the games that are running. So you're a viewer and looking to find some drops, these are the games that you can look for. So for example, Humankind here, it's from the 16th of August to the 13th of September. So if we search for Humankind, and we click on the game here, we can see there are 2 people streaming that in English right now. None of them have the drops enabled tag, which means that they probably haven't enabled the drops. You can always drop in a stream and ask the streamer if they have enabled drops. But if they have the tag, which is called drops enabled, then they definitely got it enabled. So here at World of Warships, there's also a drop going on right now. And you can see that this person has drops enabled. So if you go watch this stream, you are guaranteed to get the drops from World of Warships because they have the drops enabled. If you watch them, you will get this sticker telling you how long you've been watching and what your progress is on the actual drop. So let's say we're joining a stream, it says get rewards for World of Warships, and we can see more about this campaign here by viewing the details, or we can dismiss the actual message. So we can see that we are in a stream with the drops because this pops up. If you were already getting percentage for the drop, it might not pop up again in another streamer, but the first time you start with this, it will definitely pop up. So if you're a streamer and you want to set up drops, what you do is go click on your avatar and go to create a dashboard. Then here on the left, you go to view rewards and then drops. All we need to do is click on enable drops. So we disable it and now we enable it. When turned on, your followers will be alerted when they have a chance to earn in-game loot. We can learn more on this page. It may take up to 5 minutes for the drops to enable for your drop enable status to be changed to be reflecting in the system. So it might take a little bit before your viewers actually start earning those drops. And now, if you change your category on your stream to either one of these games, as you see, these are all the active ones. So if I would change my category to New World, like it says here, the drops for this game will be active on my channel when the category is New World. So you change the category by going to Stream Manager, Stream Info, and then here just category, you change that to the game. You can also have a different layout for it. So for example, you have a layout like this, edit Stream Info here, and then category here, if you change that to one of the categories, here in the Drops tab, New World, World of Champions, Eternal Return. During this time period that it says behind it, your viewers will start accumulating the drops. So when I was talking about this tutorial, I let this guy's stream run for a bit so you guys can see. If you are collecting drops, it will pop up here and it will say drops, and progress to the drops is 2% of World of Warships now because I was watching this guy. This is basically how simple it is to turn on drops for your own channel, to find drops. A good thing of drops is that it accumulates more viewers because people want to get those drops, and if you're one of the few that actually is streaming at that moment, they might drop into your stream to collect the drops at your stream. So definitely recommend it looking at which games have drops, and if you like a game, definitely recommend playing it. If you don't like any of the drop games and you do want to play a game and you don't know what to play, I do have a video about what games to play on stream right here, so jump into it with me and I will tell you which games are good to stream. See you there!